Dr. Sheetal Jain, physiotherapist. Now, as we know, a holistic approach is very important. It should involve an obstetrician, a nutritionist, and a physiotherapist. With a comprehensive approach with everyone involved throughout the pregnancy, the growth of the baby is monitored. Any problem which arises for the mother can be detected really soon, on time, and proper management can be done. An obstetrician plays a very important role because they oversees the medical aspect of the growing baby and the pregnant lady, and they help in detecting any abnormality on time so that proper action can be taken. Whereas a nutritionist decides what kind of food a pregnant lady has to take to avoid gestational diabetes, avoid hypertension and obesity. Now, the role of physiotherapy comes in picture when we expect the female to be very active throughout the pregnancy, and we want the lady to deliver normally and recover safely and quickly in the postpartum phase. So, a holistic approach is actually very important to ensure the lady gets a complete package. The most common problem a female faces after the delivery, that is in the postpartum phase, is urinary incontinence. That is, the lady starts leaking when she sneezes, cough, or any strenuous activity. With that, the lady starts leaking urine. It is something very common, and people think it is, it is common, you don't have to do anything about it. But it is a sign of your pelvic floor weakened. It can also cause organ prolapse. So the pelvic floor, through that the bladder from where the urine leaks, the vagina and the bowel, all those exits are there through the pelvic floor. Now, once you have delivered the baby, the weight of the uterus is too much. That is why the pelvic floor becomes pretty weak. In the postpartum phase, you should be strengthening the pelvic floor in order to stop the chances of organ prolapse, stop urinary incontinence, and again, there is something known as diastasis recti, in which the abdomen muscles, the muscles in the stomach, these muscles separate during pregnancy. Now, after delivery, after the pregnancy phase, these muscles stay separated. Now, what you have to do is you have to bring these muscles closer to the center so that the mother's pouch, the belly, is removed. That can easily be done with the help of physiotherapy. And again, postpartum phase is when you have to take care of the child also. So you need a basic mobility and strengthening exercises for the upper body as well to manage the baby and everything else. Expecting mother mostly suffer from low back pain, pelvic girdle pain, pain in the ribs, urinary incontinence, and swelling. Again, sciatica is also very common in pregnant ladies. Now, the reason for all these is mostly because of the growing fetus, the growing weight of the fetus that pushes puts extra pressure on the sciatic nerve, on the pelvic girdle, which leads to sciatica, which leads to urinary incontinence, and it pushes upwards towards the diaphragm, which leads to rib pain. Now, due to the center of gravity shifting, the back pain is also very common. All these things can easily be managed by physiotherapy with the help of proper targeted exercises, relaxation techniques, sometimes modalities such as TNS and breathing exercises. Now, there is the hormone known as relaxin is secreted during pregnancy, which relaxes all the ligaments present, which helps the female to deliver. The ligaments relaxes, which again aids in delivery process. Because of that, pelvic girdle pain is very common. Again, low back pain, because the center of gravity shifts forward. Because of the growing uterus, the female experiences a lot of discomfort in the lower back. With the help of proper exercises such as cat and camel exercise, bridging pose, relaxation techniques, all these things Physiotherapy helps the pregnant lady to get rid of these pains without any medications. Again, relaxation techniques, proper positioning, lifestyle changes, how you bend down, how you lift the things, how you sleep, the sleep position, all these things are also very important. And such small modifications helps the lady to relax completely and get rid of the back pain and pelvic girdle pain. We have to focus on low impact and safe exercises throughout pregnancy. The first trimester, you have to just focus on mobility, whereas on the third trimester, that is the last 3 months, we need the lady to prepare for the childbirth. So exercises focus more on relaxation techniques, the pelvic floor exercises, and initially the exercises focuses more on mobility and stretching along with some of the strengthening exercises.